It's me, Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be doing the action circuitry set once again. And we're going to be doing the wire trap today. And if you want to get a kit of your own, they're linked in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Here are the parts you're going to need. And so you need a siren, the wire and the wire hook, a breadboard, an on and off switch, and the battery pack. And if you didn't watch the last two videos, has AA batteries, 2 of them. And then you'll need spring connectors for them. So here's the finished product, and I will turn it on. And look, it beeps if you touch it with the wire hook at different spots too. So yeah, this experiment was a lot of fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see when new videos come out. Bye!